Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Modern dining room design is all about creating a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, a balanced contemporary trends that combine simplicity, elegance, and comfort. Start with sleek dining table as a centerpiece. Option for materials like glass, marble, or high quality wood with clean lines and minimalist design. Pair it with stylish chairs that offer comfort and style. Upholstered chairs in neutral fabrics or bold colors can make a significant impact. Lighting plays a critical role in modern dining rooms. Choose statement light fixtures such as geometric cylinders, pendant lights, or linear suspensions that provide ample illumination and serve as eye-catching decor elements. Incorporating damageable lights can add versatility, allowing you to adjust the ambience for different occasions. One open shelving or minimalist sideboards can provide practical storage and display space. Consider using floating shelves to showcase decorative items, plants, or curated collection of dishware. Adding a large contemporary mirror can enhance the sense of space and reflect light, making the room feel more open and bright. Neutral color palettes with shades of white, gray, or beige create a calm and sophisticated atmosphere. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.